Hey guys, look what I acquired at the local recycling center. A cell phone. It's obviously seen better days, but my goal here is to take my cutoff tool and cut it lengthwise, all the way in half, just to see what'll happen. So let me set that jig up. I'm actually going to clean the phone up a little bit, set the jig up. I've decided instead of trying to pin it between here, I think if I put it in between the vise or the clamp here, and then try to cut it lengthwise like this, it'll bind. So instead, I'm going to set it up down here on the end and cut it in half. Let's get this phone cleaned up before we cut it in half. You can see already that it's got smashed up little corners. I'm sure that was part of the reason they threw it away. But it's actually a pretty heavy phone. It's a pretty big phone too. So I'm going to take my little bottle of Expo cleaner. Who knows if it's safe for a phone or not, and I don't actually care. But let's make this puppy look good. It's got a lot of dirt on it. Of course, after we're done cutting it and sawing it in half, it's not going to look quite as good either. All right. A little more spray there. There. Just like new. Okay, so I was trying to figure out how I wanted to cut this, and I think I'm actually going to put it with the camera side facing up so we can see the logo. And I have this Milwaukee, of course, but you know, I have this Milwaukee clamp that can reach around the board. I stuck a board out here so that I can clamp it on the edge like this. And then I will run down with my DeWalt cutoff tool and just saw it in half like that. But this is going to require some PPE. Today's a full PPE day. I'm going to be wearing this Jackson full face mask and some sort of dust mask. I have no idea what this is going to kick up. I'm going to be cutting through battery, screen, glass, components, solder, everything. So we'll take it outside and make sure I'm suited up for that so that I limit my own personal risk. So yeah, that's the inside. So wow, look at that. I definitely see battery bulge there. That's insane that that battery is that bulged. No wonder the people threw it out. It was cracked, battery bulging, all that nice, all that stuff. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. One Motorola cell phone cut in half with a rotary cutter. And it's interesting because you can see it's probably all battery right here that I just sawed in half. And it's actually pretty stinky in here, so I'm going to throw it away in the outside trash in a metal bin in case it catches fire because of all the stuff. But overall, it was not that thrilling. So I don't put this on the recommend list. It just wasn't that amazing to cut this in half. Not as much as I thought it would be. But there you have it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Much appreciate it.